Here we have this 2017 67 plates deranged Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now with this vehicle you do get the full deranged kit, so you do get the front grille, the wide arch kit, and also the deranged decals and rear lights, and also your front lights. Now on this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked aftermarket alloy wheels that are 18-inch with the BF Goodrich all-terrain off-road tyres all the way round. Now as you can see we do have the different deranged aftermarket daylight running side lights, which do look very, very cool indeed. We have the deranged front grille with the honeycomb there as well, and also the lower bash bar. Colour coded wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle does look very, very cool and does make this vehicle stand out from the rest. You have your side steps on either side, your roof bars, and also your black window trim. Now do you get your rear parking sensor, your rear reversing camera, deranged decals on the back of your tow bar. As you can see, you've got the aftermarket lights just there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the rear of this car, you can see that we do have the half leather and half fabric seats throughout, and they are orange and black with the ice fix points, pull down armrest, and you get your storage pan passenger in the driver's seat with your electric windows in the back. Quick look into the front of this vehicle. There's a look at the driver's front seat. Passenger front seat, both driver and passenger are also heated. You have your multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control and speed limiter. As you can see, the vehicle is free from many more lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 34,950 miles. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. 2 heated front seat controls. You can have your climate control on this screen, or you can control it from down there. Heated front windscreen, so for those cold winter mornings when your windscreen is all frosted over, click the heated windscreen button and within minutes it will be defrosted. You have your high and low range gearbox just there, so you have your 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video, go through all different specifications and the differences between a normal Ranger and a deranged Ranger. Now this vehicle is available to take away, so free consultation by next day delivery. Is HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.